All right, lesson 29, section 10, adding and subtracting mixed numbers and fractions. Okay, all right, if you look at number 33, 5/4 minus 3/4. When your denominator is the same, it does not change for adding and subtracting. 5 minus 3 is 2. You can reduce 2/4 by dividing by 2 on the top and the bottom to give you 1/2. And that's your answer for number 33. Number 34, you have 1/5 plus 1/5. Again, when your denominator is the same, it does not change. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2/5 is your answer for number 34. All right, now let's look at number 35. We have a whole number, 6 minus 1/6. What you're going to do here for your first step is you're going to put this whole number over the number 1. So now you have 6 for 1 minus 1 over 6. We need to find a common denominator. Okay, between 1 and 6, we're going to use 6. So here we're going to multiply by 6 on the top and the bottom, which gives us 36 over 6. We do not need to change this fraction because it already has a denominator of 6. 36 minus 1 equals 35. And then your denominator stays the same when you're adding or subtracting. You're going to change this improper fraction into a mixed number. So 35 divided by 6, 5 times 6 is 30. 35 minus 30 is 5. Your remainder becomes your numerator. Your divisor becomes your denominator. Your answer is 5 and 5/6. All right, number 36 is another one where you have a whole number minus a fraction. So we're going to go ahead and put 2 over 1 minus 13 over 8. Our common denominator is going to be 8, so we're going to multiply by 8 on the top and the bottom over here. 16 over 8, because 8 times 2 is 16, minus 13 over 8. 16 minus 13 equals 3 over 8. And that is your answer for number 36. Number 37 says 4/5 plus 9/7. Remember, you cannot combine them or subtract them if they don't have the same denominator. So here we're going to multiply 5 times 7. That gives us 35 for both of these. So we multiplied by 7 here. We need to multiply by 7 on the top. We multiplied by 5 for here. 4 times 7 gives you 28. 9 times 5 gives you 45. Your denominator does not change. It stays as 35. 28 plus 45 gives you 73. You're going to reduce and change that improper fraction into a mixed number. 35 goes into 73 2 times. Okay, 73 minus 70 is 3. And this becomes your numerator on top. Your remainder becomes your numerator, your divisor becomes your denominator. Your answer for number 37 is 2 and 3/35. And number 38, you have 5/4 plus 1/2. You could use 8 here because 4 times 2 is 8, but I'm going to go ahead and just use 4 because I know I can multiply by 2 to get to 4. So that means I don't have to change this fraction here. Okay, this is going to turn into, 2/4, add 2/4. 5 plus 2 is 7. Your denominator does not change. Change the improper fraction into a mixed number. Your answer for number 38 is 1 and 3/4. And that is the end of section 10's video.